Okay. Second one, lithosphere. Okay. The term lithosphere means rocky crust. The term lithosphere means rocky crust. The term lithosphere means rocky crust. Full stop. The outermost layer of the earth, the outermost layer of the earth, the outermost layer of the earth, which includes the crust and upper part of the mantle. Upper part of the mantle, mantle, which includes the crust and upper part of mantle. Okay, comma, and is
Teacher.
Oh, yes. Sean.
The most of layer of the earth.
The term lithosphere means rocky crust. The outermost layer of the earth, which includes the crust and upper part of mantle, comma, and is made up of rocks and is made up of rocks and minerals, is called the lithosphere. Okay, Sean, finished? Faith, finished? എവിടെയാ ബാക്കി കിട്ടേണ്ടത് പറ, ചോദിച്ചേ.
മിസ് ഞാൻ ഇടയ്ക്ക് വെച്ച് കട്ടായി പോയായിരുന്നു.
പറഞ്ഞുതരാം.
മിസ് which include the
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. The term lithosphere means rocky crust, the outermost layer of the earth, which includes the crust and the upper part of the mantle, comma, and is made up of rocks and minerals, is called the lithosphere. Okay, Faith, rocks and minerals is called the lithosphere. Then third one, biosphere. Then write down the word biosphere is Shreya Biju, മോളെ എഴുത്. The word biosphere is derived from yes.
മിസ് ഇത് നേരത്തെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളതല്ലേ?
എപ്പോ നോട്ട് എഴുതാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ല? അന്ന് തന്നതല്ലേ?
മിസ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഹോംവർക്ക് തന്നായിരുന്നു.
അത് സാരമില്ല, no problem. Okay, the word biosphere is derived from the Greek word, G capital, Greek word. The word biosphere is derived from the Greek word bios, single word kodama, single, bios, bios, which means life, Treya Biju, Anne Maria, right? എഴുതിയ മോളെ?
Yes, miss.
Which means life. The word biosphere derived from the Greek word bios, which means life, and the Latin word, L capital, the Latin word, Treya Biju, write down The Latin word sphera. S-P-H.
Miss,
Yes. Yes. Anne-Maria, പറഞ്ഞോ.
miss, ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയാം miss.
പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. The word biosphere is derived from the Greek word bios, which means life. Okay. And the Latin word sphera. S-P-H-A-E-R-A. Single inverted comma. Sphera. Which means total range. Which means total range. Which means total range. Okay. Which means total range. Then the biosphere is narrow zone. The biosphere is narrow zone. The biosphere is narrow zone where the lithosphere, comma, hydrosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere meet and interact. Meet, M-E-E-T, meet and interact. Meet and interact. Full stop. It supports life on earth. 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 And is thus called, THUS, thus called, and is thus called the living thing, living world, and is thus called living world. WORLD, living world. Okay. Okay. Finished? Shreya Biju, finished? Anne-Maria?
Teacher,
Yes. Sean?
lithosphere കഴിഞ്ഞ് എഴുതിയില്ല. എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഒരു line.
എങ്ങനെ? Lithosphere കഴിഞ്ഞ്. The narrow zone whereas the lithosphere, comma, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet and interact. Meet and interact. Meet and interact. Full stop. Meet and interact, full stop. Meet and interact, full stop. It supports life on earth. It supports life on earth and is thus called the living world. Okay. Then ഞാനൊരു white board share ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? Can you see the white board? Yes.
Yes.
Then fourth one, ecosystem. ഞാൻ white board എഴുതാം, എഴുതിക്കോ. Ecosystem, the complex system of interactions. The complex system of interactions between the complex system of interaction between different organisms and their physical environment. Physical environment in a particular area. Okay. The complex system of interactions between different organisms and the physical environment in a particular area is called ecosystem. Okay. Okay. Sean, finished? Faith, finished? Ah, yes. May I rub this answer? May I rub? Yes. Next one, urbanization. Urbanization. The urbanization, the number of people in urban areas as compared to the total population of the country is known as urbanization. All of you please write the question. Answer. The number of listen, the number of people living in urban areas as compared to the total population of the country is known as urbanization. Okay? Finished? Sean Shajan? Anne Maria? Faith K.A. Faith? Okay. Then, next question. Pollution. Pollution. The disturbances caused to the disturbances caused to the environment due to disturbances caused the environment due to excessive exploitation of nature. Excessive exploitation of nature. The disturbances caused to the environment due to excessive exploitation of nature, unplanned and unwise use of technology, overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization is called pollution. Okay? കിട്ടിയാ? Finished? പെയ്ത്തെ ഒന്ന് വായിച്ചത്?
1 minute, miss. Just 1 minute. The disturbance caused to the environment due to excessive exploitation of natural, unplanned,
Nature,
nature, unplanned and unwise use the technology over population,
use of technology. Not use them. Use of technology.
Use of technology, overpopulation, urbanization, and
urbanization, not Europeanization, urbanization.
Urbanization and industrialization.
Industrialization is called pollution. Okay? Yes. Then next one, give short answers for the following questions. What is importance of ecosystem? Write the answer, question only. Please write the questions. What is the importance of ecosystem? The importance of ecosystem is that it provides space of plant, the importance of ecosystem is that it provides space of plants and animals to interact with each other as well as with the physical environment. Okay? Physical environment. ഇത്രയും ഞാൻ വായിച്ചോട്ടെ? ഇത്രയും വായിക്കട്ടെ? Physical environment. ബാക്കി though Through such interaction, they are interdependent on each other for their survival. Okay? Okay. Importance of ecosystem. The importance of ecosystem is that it provides space of plants and animals interact with each other as well as with their physical environment. Through such interaction, they are interdependent on each other for their survival. Okay? Finished? Sean, Anne Maria, Faith. Yes, okay. Next question. Why did the Chipko movement take place? Why did the Chipko movement take place? Answer. The Chipko movement, Chipko C and movement M capital. The Chipko movement took place as a protest Then the Chipko movement took place as a protest against the indiscriminate cutting down of trees in Alagananda River Valley of Uttarakhand and OGL of Uttarakhand. Of Uttarakhand. Okay? Okay? Yes. Anne Maria, Sean. Sean Shajan? Yes. Okay. Next question. What are the reasons for environmental pollution? What are the reasons for environmental pollution? You can write now. Reason for the environmental pollution are reasons of the environmental pollution are reasons for the environmental pollutions are first one താഴെ first one exploitation and exploitation and exploitation and misuse. Exploitation and misuse of nature due to various human activities. Various human activities. First one, exploitation and misuse of nature due to various human activities. Various, VARIOUS. Okay, VARIOUS. Okay, various activities. Finished. Second point. Unplanned use of technology. Unplanned use of technology. Unplanned use of technology. Third point, overpopulation. Overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization Okay. Unplanned use of technology. Third one, overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization. These are the reasons of pollution. Reasons of environmental pollution. Okay. Finished?
No, 1 minute, miss.
Okay. Faith,
Okay.
Sean. Faith. Finished? Yes. Then, next question. How can natural environment be managed properly? Answer, please write down. A perfect balance. A perfect balance should be maintained between between the natural and human environment. A perfect balance should be maintained between the natural and human environment. For this, help of scientists, technologists, and planners required to address the required to ഇത്രയും വായിച്ചോട്ടെ ഇത്രയും
Yes.
വായിക്കട്ടെ
Yes, miss.
Yes. Required to address the various environmental problems. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then give long answers for the following questions. അത് നാളെ എഴുതാം, അടുത്ത ദിവസം എഴുതാം. അപ്പൊ ഇത്രയും പഠിക്കുക. ഇന്ന് 4 മണിക്കുള്ളിൽ എല്ലാവരും നോട്ട് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഇടുക, എന്റെ പേഴ്സണൽ നമ്പറിലേക്ക് ഇടുക. ഫെയ്ത്ത് കേട്ടോ? ഫെയ്ത്ത്? യെസ്, ഓക്കെ. ആൻമരിയ, ഷോൺ, ഇനി ക്ലാസ് കിട്ടാത്തവർക്ക് ഈ നോട്ട്സ് ഒന്ന് പേഴ്സണലി നിങ്ങൾ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കൂലേ? നിങ്ങളെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറാത്ത കുട്ടികൾക്ക് നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാ, പേഴ്സണലി ഇത് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക ഈ നോട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അവരോട് പറയാ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ പറയണേ.
Yes. Okay.
Then time is going to over. Okay. ഇത് പഠിക്കുക, ബാക്കിയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ കണ്ടെത്താൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ബാക്കി ലോങ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് please find from your textbook. Okay, all of you study these answers today itself, then do your homework today. Please send me through WhatsApp before 4 o'clock. Okay, okay, tata, bye bye, see you. Tata.
Okay, miss. Bye.
Can I get my laptop for 2 minutes?